Hey, what's going on, everyone? Mike here at the BFH Garage. I know you guys have been waiting on an update for this rig behind me, but to be honest with you, I was conflicted with how I wanted to proceed with transitioning to a new Jeep. And to put it bluntly, what I wanted to do is I wanted to get a new frame and tub and swap everything over from my old rig to the frame and tub. That way I can maintain everything that I've had in there. It just so happened that a tub and a frame came up on Craigslist. I picked them both up for $400. It was a great deal. Frame's in great condition. But after investigating further, the driver's side of my old Jeep, there was a pretty good amount of intrusion into the motor bay, and it damaged a lot of stuff in there, and it's just not worth trying to force that to work. So I've decided to abandon that idea. So now I have an extra frame and tub, go figure. But anyway, I'm going to continue on with this project right here. So it's already up on the rack. One of the things I talked about when I bought this thing was the ability to sell off a bunch of the parts to help pay for it. So again, my philosophy is doing everything as cheaply as I can. It doesn't mean cheap quality, but as inexpensive as I can. So as you can see, I've already sold the hard top. I've sold the hard doors. The seat's already pulled out. I've already sold the old wheels and tires that were on here. I went and got a set of rollers in case I need to move this thing around. The rear axle's already sold. I just don't have that pulled out yet. Eventually I'm gonna pull the gas tank. I'll sell stuff like that as well. And that's not to mention what I can sell off of my old Jeep as well. So right now I think that, I paid $3,850 for this Jeep, and I've already gotten back just over $3,000 selling stuff off. So it's actually working out well for me. So here's my plan right now. What I'm gonna do with this thing is, you can see it's up on the rack. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be done before I just start swapping parts over. So I'm going to take this opportunity while I have everything out of here to do those upgrades and stuff, so I don't have to kind of move around parts or move parts over, take them back off to do fixes on stuff. So the axles are going to come out, the seat's already out, the roll bar is going to get changed, things like that. So I'm going to do that while I have it pretty well stripped down. Now I can tell you I'm not a big fan of this color blue, so the people who like this color blue, sorry, it's just not for me. I'm very partial to a black Jeep. It's just what it is. That's my favorite. And so this project is officially going to be titled Back in Black, and it will get painted black. My thought process, now I haven't committed to this yet. In fact, I'm not even going to tell you. I'll just continue on with the build, and we'll see how it turns out when I get there. So as of right now, this is where it stands. Time is my biggest enemy. So trying to get in here and work on this thing right now, I'm just running short on time. So I'll keep you updated as often as I can on progress on this thing. But things I need to do right now is to keep stripping this thing down. So fender flares need to come off. These side steps are going in the trash. The fenders up front need to come off. All of this stuff needs to come out here. Transfer case needs to come out. Both axles, rear bumper, so a lot of work to do, and I'm going to get that completely stripped down so I can get everything else prepped on this Jeep. So that is about all I have for right now. I'll give you more updates as they occur. Hopefully the next video, this thing will look a little bit different and at least show some progress. So that's where I'm at today. I'm going to do a couple other videos in between while I'm working on this. I know I want to do a hydro assist steering box rebuild, or show you how to tap one for hydro assist. So that one's going to be coming up here pretty quick. But for right now, this is what I got. I'll keep you updated.